convenient.
Okie dokie.
The trunk is quite spacious. It's gonna have a texture.
Really got some nice coverage.
Welcome back. Another day of working on the old airbag Mercedes. Last time we were in the garage, you saw that the motor that was still in it had this busted intake manifold. There's a certain amount. And several other problems. There was a hole in the oil pan. So the motor is out. Inside here, very oily. You could imagine that with an old diesel. Self-lubricates everything around it. So we have a nice cocktail of degreaser and Safe for Duck Dawn soap shoved into this compressed canister. Sprayed all around in here. Oh, that's nice. The probably even older motor. This sucker has probably been sitting in a barn since before I was born. But it rotates freely and it's diesel, so that should mean that it's fine. We're going to ditch the AC compressor here, put it in the garbage. Then after that, I think we're ready to pretty much put it in the garbage, shove it back into here, put some fluids in it, and then fire it up. So, stay tuned. Maybe we'll have it running later. Maybe that'll be on another video. Probably on another video. Maybe we'll have the engine back in here by the time that the day is done. We'll see. So what we're seeing here is me stripping down both of the motors, taking all the accessories and brackets off, and taking the best of the two worlds and putting those on the engine that's going to go back in the car. Everything's nice and greasy and dirty. This is probably the most satisfying part of the time lapse, is cleaning up this old flywheel, knocking the surface rust off. Here I'm getting ready to install the clutch. I had to make a special alignment tool out of a different alignment tool, but went in straight and everything works great there. There's a bracket that I'm installing there that goes underneath the harmonic balancer. You have to bolt it through the oil pan. I thought that was interesting. Here, Blake and I are cleaning out the water jacket behind the water pump because it had some gunk in it. And here I'm preparing to put the engine in. Had to unbolt the hood, get it a little bit higher. And then here the engine starts its process of being reinstalled. Due to how I've cut this time lapse, it looks like it was pretty simple. It didn't take very long, but it took us a long time to actually get that transmission and engine line back up. It shouldn't have been that hard, but the angle was off just a little bit for quite a while. But the bolts are really easy to access, the bell housing bolts for the transmission and the engine. Probably the easiest I've worked on. Well, it's the same day as the last time, since earlier, that we were working on this. It's just the clothes and people are different. Anyway, the new older motor is in here, and then we'll see if it starts. Maybe we'll have it running later, probably on another video. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the video today. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any more sweet videos of me and my friends working on our crap in the garage. This Mercedes work should span out another couple episodes. The second one in the works right now. You should see it soon after you've seen this one. And then, after the Mercedes is running shortly before our wedding, I've wasted no time getting that ready. About a month to go. Picked up some sweet seats. What are those going to go into? You probably know, but we're going to get back to work on it right after the Mercedes and the wedding is wrapped up here in a month or so. So, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.